And then a funny hot, one funny hot.
Oh, the chilies are hot, right?
Yes. My hungry
Oh, what do you have? What's this?
cheese.
What's this?
Ready.
Bread, right? Oh, how many pieces of bread are here? Just count 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
Oh, that's very good. You know numbers, right? So happy.
How about one more time?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Mommy.
How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
One more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
Good. That's great. Oh, what color is the bread?
It's brown.
That's right. It's brown. You love bread, right? You love bread. You used to have bread and tea as breakfast in the morning, right? Papa used to make a cup of tea and bread almost every morning.
Look,
Right?
that's it.
What?
About moon, what?
Where? There's a moon.
Yeah.
Where? I cannot see the moon. It's not there anymore. Come. Let's try to see it. Ah, there's no moon. Oh, there's no moon yet.
Look,
Where? You see a moon?
there.
Where? I cannot see it.
Jellyfish.
You see a jellyfish?
Yes.
Oh, how come? I see a TV. There, I see a TV. See a TV over there?
Yes. But
Oh, right. Oh,
about make
where? In the windows.
Yes.
Go. We cannot make it now. We'll make it tomorrow in the morning. All right.